In southern Italy, a stone town sits on a clay ridge and watches the Badlands below. This is Craco. The windows are empty. Many stairs climb and then stop at nothing. The Norman Tower stands over narrow lanes and small archways that lead into shadow. For centuries, people grew wheat and olives on the slopes. Bells counted the hours. Small markets filled the terraces. The tower rose in the Middle Ages as a lookout and a refuge. Churches pinned the hill with prayer. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, hunger and hope pushed many to leave for the Americas. They carried letters and old photos, promising to come back when life was easier. The ground under Craco is fragile Calanchi clay, beautiful but weak. In 1963, after heavy rains and broken water pipes, the slope gave way. Walls cracked, streets tore. Families were evacuated to the valley to a new settlement with a new name. Floods in 1972 made the damage worse. In 1980, an earthquake shook what remained. By 1991, the last lights went out. The hill kept the echo.
As you can see here, the structure
Today, film crews use the silhouette like a stage set. Guides take small groups along taped paths, helmets on, no straying. A classroom without a teacher holds a bright rectangle of sun on a dusty floor. A small chapel waits, its frescoes peeling like thin skin. A stair climbs to a doorway that opens on air. You feel the drop in your stomach. The wind moves through the town like a careful hand. It slips under doors, through wire, along broken tiles. You hear a bell where there is no rope. A shutter taps and then goes still. Somewhere a jar rolls, stops, and does not roll again. At night, the windows look back at the sky like empty eyes. Swallows circle the tower and vanish into the stone. They say the hill moves when it remembers rain. They say footsteps climb the stairs that end in the blue. Maybe it is only the ground settling. Maybe it is the town talking to itself. Craco was not just abandoned. It was pushed out of its body. What is left are rooms that hold their breath and streets that go quiet too fast. The stairs still invite you upward. The view is wide. The last step is missing.